everybody, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're actually going to be going over how to screen mirror things from your phone onto your display screen on your car. So it's a very simple process. Just stay with me, it'll be done in a couple minutes. So just two things to keep in mind before we get started. This function is only available to Android users, and the video capability behind this is only available when the car is set in park. So when you're driving, unfortunately, I'm sorry, you won't be able to watch Netflix, but at least when you're in park you would be able. So assuming you're already connected via Bluetooth on your phone, everything becomes a lot more simpler. So we're just gonna go into our media and radio devices. We're gonna go into screen mirroring, add new device, and now we're actually gonna go into our phones. We're gonna scroll down here, pull this all the way out, and on some Androids it's gonna be known as Smart View. So we're just gonna tap on that, and we're gonna wait for BMW 04336 or whatever BMW number you have on yours, and we're just gonna wait for it to pop up. Turn that on, press down on your BMW, press OK on your car, and just wait for it to connect. So as we're able to see everything that I have on my phone, we're able to see under display in our car. So as you can tell, I have YouTube right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play this quick video. And you can also tell that when I go to flip my phone for full screen view, the same thing's gonna happen on my display. So again, just remember, this is not meant for you to watch YouTube and watch Netflix while you're driving, but at least, you know, when you're bored and waiting for your kids to get out of soccer practice, or you're waiting for your significant other to finally get out of the mall, at least you can entertain yourself for a good bit. Alright guys, so that will be it for this week's Tutorial Tuesday. As always, it's a pleasure talking to you guys. So if you have any questions about your screen mirroring or any other questions about your BMW in general, please always feel free to call the dealership. So yeah guys, until next week, this is Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you everyone.